Rare sa NBA na may dalawang klarong dominant teams each conference, tulad ngayong season. Pero mas rare that the top seeds of each conference end up in the finals. Gaano nga ba kalaki ang chance ng Cavs and Thunder sa finals? Alamin natin for today's video. A team as dominant as the Cavs usually ends up sa finals. Sa 6 na teams na may multiple 15-game win streaks, 4 ang nakapasok sa finals at 2 ang nag-champion. And for teams that have scored 14 straight wins, scoring 110 points a game, 2 pa lang nakakagawa nun. This year's Cavs and the 1986 Boston Celtics who ended up champions. History says, ang laki ng chance ng Cavs makapunta sa finals. The OKC Thunder are ahead sa second seed by 12 games. Bihira yun in a Western Conference na sobrang competitive. It's because of their dominant defense, something that will pay off in the playoffs when the game slows down. Since the 2000s, 12 NBA champions have had top 3 defensive ratings. Ang laki din ng chance na OKC makarating sa finals. But the best in the East and the West have not faced off in the finals since 2016. Ang top seed ng conference, either East or West, has made the finals in the 2000s era 67% of the time. However, in the last 24 seasons, the best teams in the East and the West have faced off in the finals only 3 times. That's just 13%. Marami rin kasing factors that determine who makes the finals, like injuries or yung hot streak ng isang player, not just the regular season record. So, medyo long shot to see the Cavs and the Thunder in the finals, no? But the safer bet, either one of them will make the finals and be playing in June.